Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x square equals to y plus 183, y square equals to x plus 183, and we solve these two equations for the values of x and y. So here you remember one thing is that x is not equals to y. It means that we solve this problem for the distinct values of x and y. So here the very first step we are going to do is here first we need to subtract equation number 1 with equation number 2, so that when we subtract equation number 1 with equation number 2, then you can subtract the left hand side with the left hand side and right hand side with the right hand side. So we need to subtract these two values and it will be written as x square minus y square equals to, here we need to subtract these two values, it will be written as y plus 183 minus x minus 183. We will subtract these values here. Okay, so you see that this negative and positive are gone, and in the left hand side we will apply here this nice algebraic formula. This will be equals to x minus y times of x plus y equals to, here you get y minus x. Okay, so now in the next step we move these two values in the left hand side. So this minus x will becomes when we move in the left hand side, it will becomes plus x, and here you have this is x plus y. This will be written as plus x and minus y, and this whole equals to 0. So now you focus on these two equations and you see here x minus y be the common term, so that we take common x minus y, and the remaining terms are x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. So here we divide this into the two cases, so that the first case is we take x minus y equals to 0, and the second case is we take x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. So in this case you see here x is not equals to y, and in this case you see here we have x plus y equals to minus 1. Okay, so we call this is our equation number 3. And now here first we can subtract equation number 1 and equation number 2, and now here we need to add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when you add these two equations, we will get here x square plus y square equals to y plus 183 and plus x plus 183. Okay, so here we have this is x plus y plus 183 plus 183 equals to 366. So we can substitute the value of x plus y equals to minus 1 here, and it will be written as minus 1 plus 366. So you get the value of x square plus y square equals to minus 1 plus 366 equals to 365, and we call this is our equation number 4. So here we need to focus on equation number 3, and now we can take the squaring on both of the sides of equation number 3. Okay, so equation number 3 is implies that first we will copy down equation number 3, it is x plus y equals to minus 1, and now we will take squaring on both of the sides of this equation. And here we can apply this algebraic formula, and you know that x plus y whole square equals to x square plus 2 times of xy plus y square equals to minus 1 square equals to plus 1. So here we rewrite this equation as in this form. We have this is x square plus y square plus 2 times of xy equals to 1. Here we substitute the value of x square plus y square. So x square plus y square equals to 365. So we can substitute it here. It will becomes 365 plus 2 times of xy equals to 1. And now here we need to move this 365 to the right hand side, and it will be written as 2 times of xy equals to 1 minus 365. So 1 minus 365 equals to 364. Further we need to divide both of the sides by 2. So when you divide both of the sides by 2, it will be written as in this form. 1 minus 364 equals to minus 364. Okay, so you cancel this 2 and 2, and we will get here xy is equals to, here we need to cancel this term, 2 ones are 2 we carry 1, 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4, so you get the value of xy equals to minus 182. So here we get the value of y equals to minus 182 divided by 2 divided by x. Here x is multiplied by y. When we move in the right hand side, it will be divided by this term. Okay, so we call this is equation number 5. And now here we need to substitute this value of y in equation number 3. So when you can put this value of y in equation number 3, so first we can copy down equation number 3 here. Equation number 3 is x plus y equals to minus 1. Okay, this is our equation number 3, and we will substitute the above value of y here, and it will be written as this is x plus y. The value of y is minus 182 divided by x equals to minus 1. So when you take the LCM of this term, or we will multiply both of the sides by x, I can just multiplying by x. So when you multiply both of the sides by x, it will be written as x square minus 182 equals to minus x, and we move this minus x in the left hand side, it will becomes x square plus x minus 182 equals to 0. So now here we rewrite this equation as in this form. This is x square plus x minus, we know that 182 equals to 13 times of 14. When you multiply 13 times of 14, you will get here 182. And now we need to break its meter term in order to find the value of x. So we write it as x square plus 14x minus 13x, and this is minus 13 multiplied by 14. Okay, so here we break this x and we write this x as 14 minus 13. So now you see here this is equals to 0. And now you see here in the first two terms we will take common x, and you get x plus 14, and here we take common minus 13, and you again get x plus 14 equals to 0. And now from both of these terms we will get here x plus 14 be the common term, and the remaining terms are x minus 13 equals to 0. And now we divide this into the two cases. So the first case is we write x plus 14 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 13 equals to 0, and we get the value of x equals to minus 14, and here you get the value of x equals to 13. So now in order to find the corresponding values of y, here we need equation number 5, so that we copy down equation number 5 here. It is minus 182 divided by x. So when we put this value of x here, it will be written as y equals to minus 182 divided by minus 14. And when you put this value of x here, you will get y equals to minus 182 divided by 13. Okay, so you see here 14, this minus and minus are cancelled by each other, and 14 times of 13 equals to 182. So you get the value of y equals to 13. Similarly, 13 times of 14 equals to 142, and we get here y equals to minus 14. Okay, so finally we have the two solution sets of the given equation are x y equals to the first solution set is when you get y equals to 13, the corresponding value of x is minus 14. When corresponding value of x is 13, we get y is minus 14. So you get the two solutions are minus 14 and 13, and the second solution is 13 and minus 14. So this is the final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.